Hi everybody, welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're making steak and mushroom kebabs. First we're going to marinate the steaks and the mushrooms in a beautiful soy marinade, and then we're going to throw them on the grill and get them started. First thing we're going to do is work on the marinade, so let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we're going to need half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, half a cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, half a teaspoon of dried oregano and parsley. Here we have 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, half a tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of oil, and some salt and pepper. Now we're just going to take all of our ingredients for the marinade and go right into a large bowl. Get it all mixed up. A little sprinkle of pepper, a little bit of salt. We don't need much because we're using soy sauce. Get this well combined. Now we're going to set it aside, and we're going to get the steak and the mushrooms ready. And here we have our 1.5 pounds of New York strip steak that we got from our local butcher. It was the ugly pieces at the end, so he gave us a good deal on them. And we have 1 pound of portobello mushrooms. Now we're just going to take these, put it right in our marinade. And we're going to give it a mix. And we're going to let it marinate for a minimum of an hour. Our steak and mushrooms have been marinating for about an hour and a half now. Now we're going to alternate it on the kebab, just like this. Steak, mushroom, steak, mushroom. I want to leave a little bit of space in between each one so that way they cook evenly. So I'm going to finish these up and we're going to head out to the grill. It's nice and warm. We're about 350 degrees. We're going to throw these on for a couple minutes and then we're going to eat them up. Okay, now we're going to place the kebabs on the grill. We're going to go lengthwise across so that way we don't lose anything down in. We're going to go about 1.5 to 2 minutes on each side. And that sizzle is the sound you want to hear. Literally in a matter of minutes, these have some perfect color on them. They're right at the temp that we want them. And we're going to take these inside and we're going to get a taste of them. Alright, now let's get a bite of these. These look so good. I'm going to pull it off the skewer so I can get a little bit of everything in each bite. Get a little bite of steak, mushroom. Oh man. Those are so good. You gotta give me a minute. The steak is so tender. You get the flavor of the garlic, the soy sauce, the herbs, the char of the grill. This is amazing. They go great with foil packed potatoes, corn on the cob, anything. Add this recipe to your list of summer foods to make. We hit the 1,500 subscriber mark. Thank you so much for subscribing. We're gonna be doing a giveaway. I'm looking into if I can give a knife away or not. I'm not 100% sure, but we will definitely be doing a giveaway, even if it's not a knife. If you like this recipe, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for stopping in. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. We'll see you next time.